Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Olga and this video is going to be useful for teachers or those who are working as tutors or planning to become ones. And today we're going to look at Padlet. This is a platform, a website that allows you to create collaborative boards, and I'm going to show you how it works. Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to use a very interactive board for your activities if you are an instructor, teacher, or an educator, doesn't matter, K-12, college worker, and etc. Padlet is a fantastic tool, not just for collaboration. For example, if you can use Padlet if you're having team meetings, people collaborate and work together. It's great, but it's also great for teaching and for students' engagement. So let's go in and begin looking at it. So you just need to Google Padlet and padlet.com. I'm already in. You will need, like, for example, if you go in, you will need to create an account and it will offer you to register free. You don't necessarily need to pay. So here's my account. I'm going to make a Padlet, a new Padlet. And when you come to this website, it's going to prompt you to choose a template out of the given ones. I personally use wall, grid, and shelf. But you can use any one of them. They're perfectly fine and for your needs depending on what you teach. I am teaching English as a second language to speakers of other languages. And I personally prefer these three. Okay, so I'm going to select the wall one, and based on it, we're going to look how it works. So you can see that the window comes up and it says My Brilliant Padlet right here. We need to change the title. Okay, so this week I'm working with students, high intermediate English learners who are working on the subject of obstacles, difficulties, life events, and etc. So I'm going to name this Padlet as our unit. Obstacles, or how to overcome obstacles. So how to overcome obstacles and difficulties. I can provide some description if this is just one assignment or if this is a Padlet for the whole unit where I'm going to refer students again and again. So I am using it depending on what my purpose is, but right here I want to create a meaningful discussion among students and encourage them to get engaged with one another and to comment and get into conversations. Okay, so this is the description I have. Watch a video and read an article in the textbook. I'm going to refer my students to the article that I located in the textbook. That's why I didn't write in pages. And go ahead and answer the question, how do you overcome obstacles? Think of a situation when you had to overcome obstacles, write about it. Read other students' posts and comment on a couple. Okay, so in this case, students need to watch something, read something, write something, comment something, engage. If they want to record an audio or let's say a video message, they can do this. We're gonna look at how to do that. Okay, so this is my Padlet. I can change the background. We have solid colors if I don't like this one, but actually it's kind of fun to me. I have gradients, I have textures and patterns, and this one is, how about this one? I don't know, what do you think? Which one should I keep? And this one, blackboard, no, do. Alright, so I probably will go with this one. Yeah, something more solid. Okay, I've selected the wallpaper. Now I need to go ahead and posting. So right here we have attribution, display the author's name. I'm going to have it on because if students do not create a Padlet board, I want them to write their name at the top of the post so that I know who did their homework. I encourage students to create an account with Padlet, but not everyone does that. So it's very important I know who posted. It's not really a requirement for them to create a Padlet account. Okay, you can allow comments if you want. I always do. You can choose some reactions. Right here, I prefer to use like like posts. If you like a post, you can just click on the heart. And right here, when it comes to content filtering, I would recommend turning on require approval. In that case, you will see the post before it's been published and sent to everyone else. Okay, so next, start posting. All right, so here's our board. We can close it. So this is how the board looks like. If I want to make changes, I'm going to modify right here at the top. Okay, so how do you create my first post? Right here at the bottom I have plus. So title. Here I am going to have my students watch a video. So I have this TED Talk that I want them to watch. And I'm going to link it. Okay, so I want my students to watch the TED Talk first. Okay, I'm going to post it right here. Right, so what I can also do, I can add a few more posts. And right here, I need to title my post and write something. But I want to pay attention to this field where you can upload a video, whatever you want, you can link. If you click on this search engine, you can Google something. Okay, we don't need it. But if you click on these three little dots, a window is going to pop up with plenty of options how you can post and what you can post. So you can record your voice, you can record your screen, you can do some doodling, you can link a Padlet to another Padlet board, you can upload a file, whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to do the Voicethread. Hi students, I'd like you to examine the vocabulary, and for that I want you to go to thesaurus.com. This is the dictionary that we've used in the past, and I want you to enter the words obstacle and difficulty. Look up at the synonyms of these words and find the most interesting and applicable ones. Then go ahead and list them here with a couple of examples. Okay, so finished. I'm saving this video and it's going to be attached to my post. Here you go. They need to listen to my voice message and do what I'm asking them to do. I mentioned thesaurus.com, so for that I might go and link this website. Alright, so I want them to go ahead and use this website, thesaurus.com, and look up synonyms of the words difficulty and obstacle. Alright, might need to change the color if so. Okay, so I created 3 posts applicable to our lesson. Now I need to share this Padlet board with my students. So it doesn't matter whether you're using Google Classroom, Canvas, or other LMS, learning management system, you can do that quite easily. So first of all, you need to go here with this share. And the easiest is just copy link to clipboard. Okay, that's what I did. Now I'm going to my Canvas sandbox. I'm using it as an example to show you, and I'm going to create a page. This is Unit 5 that we're working on. That's why I'm going to name it Unit 5. So I want them to go to the Padlet board to complete the assignment. How do I link it? I need to click on Padlet, double click, then go right here where it says link to URL and Control V, insert the link. Okay, publish. Here we go. If students click on Padlet, you see it's hyperlinked. They're going to be taken to this Padlet board. Let's go back. So in my opinion, it looks a little bit boring. It doesn't tell students what they're going to do, what type of activity they can find there, etc. So I'm going to slightly modify it. I'm going to edit, and I'm going to keep this Padlet link and everything, but what I'm going to do is to embed Padlet board into the Canvas page. So again, we're going back to a Padlet board, share. Right here, you can see number 3, embed in your blog or website. I click on it, And the first link where it says copy and paste this code in the text editor of your blog or HTML of your website. Looks scary, but don't be afraid. Control C, select everything, Control C, then go ahead, click on HTML editor, Control V, then you can go back to Rich Content Editor, save. Here you go. Okay, and that way your students will be able to see the assignment, they see the questions, they see what they need to do, and they can actually work from it. All the Padlet posts are here visible and they don't need to be signed in. They can just work without any signing. They can watch the video, they can listen, yes, and they can go to the website. If they want to create their own post, they just need to click on the plus button and here they go. They can attach one of the items, whether they want to record a voice message, a video, or a picture, and they can write something. They can also like posts and they can comment. That was an interesting video. Post. Okay, that was an interesting video. So here you can see that Padlet can be easily integrated and embedded into your Canvas page, and the same can happen with your Google Classroom. All right, well, I hope this was helpful to you and you're going to use Padlet for your classroom activities.